Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a 4 by 6 inch metal silver picture frame stuff. So we're gonna check these things out here. Oh, I have another box. Okay. So in the box we have a box. Let's see what these are here. Okay. So this is how they come wrapped. There's 2 of them in the bag. So they are wrapped very nicely. Let's bring you guys down a little bit. And this is what it looks like. Wow, these are beautiful. These are nice. They are, nice and shiny, and they have, so they're definitely shiny silver, but they have the inside ones, so you could do bigger pictures and just cut the inner thing there. But let's just see how it would work. So we open it up here, and we have our different size ones. So if you wanted a 5 by 7, I guess that would be that one there. 4 by 6 is that one, and then I don't know, maybe that's 8 by something or 5 by, whatever it is. You have your different sizes, so it's a very adjustable frame. Oh, 4 by 6, 5 by 7, or 6 by 8 inch. You've got all the different options right there. It says it. If I could read, that would be it. So let's just see if I have a picture here. I do not. Do I have anything? I can stick this in here. I have a little Bluetooth keyboard thing. But so this is what it'll look like if I had a picture inside of it. It would have a the picture would show up in there, and it looks beautiful. I don't have any pictures at the moment in here. Darn it. Okay, here's a picture of just a building. So that's what it'll look like in the 4 by 6. So that would be a picture of a building on 4 by 6. We will take this out now, and we will go a little bigger. Oops, I didn't do a big enough picture. There we go. This is what it'll look like at 5 by 7. So looks nice. And this is what it would look like, the full bore picture size. I can't remember what that was, if I can get it. So there you go. So you've got all the different options there. It's pretty cool. I like it. So I'm going to say it's a beautiful picture frame by YiPinYin. YiPinYin. So pick up these 2-pack of picture frames, and they're going to look great. Thumbs up.